And now, First Warn 5 weather with Chief Meteorologist Tim Smith.
Hey folks, radar's gone quiet across the valley tonight after being active for a time this afternoon and this evening, but it has all since moved out. But if we look at where rain fell today, your First Warn 5 Doppler network kind of estimates the amount of rain that fell, and you can see nothing in Cameron or Willacy County. But Ed Couch also seeing some pretty good rain, Hargill up to about Lynn, and then from just north of Weslaco all the way over to Citrus City, some pretty good rain. Doppler suggests close to an inch on the north side of Farr, and maybe about a half an inch out north of Mission. You can see the estimated totals, but most of the valley stayed dry today. Those that did get rained on got some pretty good thunder and lightning mixed in with it. That's probably our last shot for a while. These are your current temperatures: 81 in McAllen, 79 in Rio Grande City at this hour, 81 in Port Isabel and in Brownsville. Future track suggests that overnight tonight temperatures stay in the upper 70s, and then during the daytime tomorrow we're all back in the 90s with the exception of the beach. It should top out around 89 or maybe 90 at the island tomorrow. And then Thursday morning, we start in the upper 70s again, 80 at the beach. And by afternoon, here we go again, 99 in the west, 98 in McAllen, 94 up and down the I-69E corridor, and at the beach mainly in the 80s. And let's do one more day. Friday, upper 70s, afternoon up to 100 in the west, 90s everywhere else. We just get a little warmer and a little warmer and a little warmer. The average high for this time of year is 95 now. 10 days out, it's up to 96. The average, our forecast, the trend is to be above average for the entirety of the next 10 days. And by the time we get to the end of this forecast, readings are going to be up near 100 pretty much every day. We see some very warm, dry air moving into the region, rain-free. Looks like the next few days. Bigger picture of the tropical moisture that came in earlier today formed along the sea breeze and moved inland, gave us those showers that we saw right there moving away, and now we've got a pretty quiet pattern setting up. There's nothing pushing in this direction at all. You see little stuff out in the Gulf, but nothing that's going to make its way toward the coast. So that leaves us with very dry conditions all the way through the rest of the week and into the weekend. The models are picking up on some Saharan dust that's going to be coming across the Caribbean. Yes, more Saharan dust, and making its way toward Texas probably early next week, maybe Monday or even at the earliest Sunday, but probably Monday. And that's dry air, so rainfall, we just don't see much of a chance at all. It just stays dry all the way through the next 10 days. At least that's what we're seeing right now. So for tonight across the valley, we stay partly cloudy. It's warm, it's humid. 77 for a low, east-southeasterly winds at about 6 to 12. Then tomorrow back up to 96, mostly sunny skies. Should be a dry day across most of the valley, if not all the valley. Southeast winds at 12 to 20. 96, 97, 98. We hold at 98 until about Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday, we'll go up another degree to 99, and with that, the dust gets mixed in. For the most part, it's just a hot and dry forecast. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.